Welcome to today's video, where we are going to tackle an interesting problem related to pointers in C. In this case, we have a situation where the behavior of passing arrays and pointers as arguments to functions is causing some confusion. Let's dive into the details of this problem and explore the solutions together. Let's look at a solution provided for the problem mentioned earlier. In the code snippet, we have a function foo that takes a double pointer as a parameter. Inside the function, a local array x is created, and a double pointer ptr is assigned the address of x. Finally, the value pointed to by ptr is assigned to the value pointed to by the input double pointer. This approach, although seemingly functional, has certain pitfalls that we need to be aware of. To summarize, it's important to understand the nuances of pointer manipulation in C to avoid undefined behavior and unexpected results. In the case discussed, relying on implicit pointer conversions and accessing memory inappropriately can lead to unintended consequences. It's essential to follow standard practices and guidelines when working with pointers in C to ensure code stability and reliability. And with that, we wrap up today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Remember, a bite of code a day keeps the bugs away.